Well, some late James-Sadler to show you today. This teapot made in the Hedgerow design in a sort of grit ironstone finish, very modernistic design. One of the later teapots from the production of the James-Sadler pottery. Excuse me. 1.5 pint. It's a nice tall beastie. Got a partially flattened inner rim on the teapot with a locking catch, which works very, very well. Little sieve, but quite a big broad sieve there. You'd have to have some very big tea leaves in there for them to work, but it will hold back your tea bag from floating down and blocking the spout. Unfortunately, condition note on this one is there is a little period chip on there. Happens sometime during its life. Doesn't go all the way around. It's very difficult to actually see with the underlying china being almost the same colour as the glaze finish with this sort of gritty appearance. There's no grittiness in this. This is just a finished printed design that they've put onto the actual teapot. Sadler marks on the base: England, Hedgerow, Sadler, number 3869 is its catalogue or patent design number. Made in quite large quantities during the late part of the 20th century, and now quite collectible. It's sort of retro, isn't it? And very practical. Goes through a dishwasher. Can take hot and cold water ad infinitum without having any damage to it. A nice teapot. Shame about the chip on the spout, but do be aware of that. And otherwise in very fine condition with no problems at all. So available for somebody looking for a replacement where you've absolutely broken it and need a teapot, or if you've broken your lid. It's going relatively cheaply, this one, considering its age and collectability due to that little damage on the spout. Thanks for watching.